So the question asked us to show what is 5/6 of 1/2. So you have to use the model because the question says use the model. So I'm going to show you how to use the model to answer this question. So the first thing we have 5/6 times 1/2. So we need to show what is 5/6 of 1/2. You need to know that of is multiplication for the most part. So down here at the bottom, we want to shade 1 of 2. So we want to shade 1 of 2. And over here, as our other factor, we want to shade 5 of 6. So we want to show 5/6 over here, and we want to show 1/2 here. So the first thing I'm going to do is show 1/2. All right, so I'm going to show 1/2. So I have 1/2 and another half going up here. So I'm going to show half of that. So I'm going to show half. So I'm going to shade half of my model. Now I need to show 5/6 of the 1/2. So my 1/2 is shaded. Now I need to show 5/6 of that. So in order to do that, I need to shade 5 of the 6 pieces. So 5 of the 6 pieces. So I'm going to shade, this is 1 of the 6 pieces, 2 of the 6 pieces, 3 of the 6 pieces, 4 of the 6 pieces, 5 of the 6 pieces, going horizontally. Now I can see what I have shaded. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, a fraction is a part out of a whole, right? So since a fraction is the part of the whole, the part that overlap, so the part that overlap is going to be your numerator. In this case, the overlap is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces because we shaded vertically and horizontally for 5 pieces, the overlap. And then the denominator, the part that overlap is the numerator. The whole is going to be the total number of boxes in one whole. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 total boxes in one whole. So the fraction that we have here is 5/12 based on the model. The part that overlaps is 5 and we have 12 to represent the whole. If you remember a fraction is a part out of a whole, you can apply that information to this. Now we want to use math to check our work. So we have originally 5/6 times 1/2. So in order to multiply fractions, you can only multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. That's why it's so important for you to change mixed numbers into improper fractions and then multiply, because that is the only way you can multiply fractions. Numerator times the numerator, denominator times the denominator, because a fraction is a part out of a whole, not a whole number, a part out of a whole. So keep that in mind. Always change mixed numbers into improper fractions and then multiply the numerator times the numerator and the denominator times the denominator. So now we're ready because we have 2 fractions here. So we multiply 5 times 1 for the numerator, which is 5. And then we have 6 times 2 for the denominator, which is 12. Notice that the answer that we got from the modeling, the part that overlaps 5 out of 12, is the same answer that we get when we just multiply using regular math, arithmetic. So this is how the model should look for this question.